For fixing this E01 error, uh, first of all, already we know two sections in this motherboard. For this E01 error, we need to concentrate on the power supply section. So due to this E0 error fixing, we need to remove one by one all components in power supply section. So we are using this desoldering pump and soldering iron. We need to remove the main components in this power supply section. First of all, we need to remove this big capacitors from this motherboard one by one. First we need to remove this capacitor, 2.5 MFD capacitor, sorry, 0.27 MFD capacitor, and after that this one 5 MFD capacitor. Check these capacitors. It should be normal, or otherwise you need to replace it new one. So we need to keep it separately. Better you can replace new one. After that you need to check other components one by one, IGBT and bridge rectifier. After that you need to check all components. Here we can see one jumper is there in this board. For this E01 error, the reason is this jumper cable came out from its location. So we need to fix this jumper in correct position. So this is the issue to creating the E0 error in this induction stove. So we need to solder it in correct position. First of all, we need to keep it correct position, and this side here we need to solder it correctly.